Hello everyone, welcome back to today's tutorial. Today's tutorial, I want to show you how to quickly install your pockets. This is the dress that I want to install my pockets, and this is the wrong side of the dress. So at least your pocket should be 1 inch below your waistline, and the opening should be about 6 inches or between 5 and 6 inches. And these are the fabric that I'm using for the pocket. You can either go ahead and sew it this way before attaching it, or you can do this method that I'm going to show you now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the dress from this point to this point. I'll open this up. The best tool to open up your dress is using your seam ripper. Can you see? I've opened up the seam. So I'll go ahead and attach this one. I'll put it in this way. Right side of this one facing right side of this one. Can you see? I'll go ahead and pin it down. I'll repeat the same thing to this other side. So I'll just carry this one, place it this way, then I will pin it down as well. I'll go to my sewing machine. I will run a stitch. Mind you, only this side. I will attach this the way I'm pinning. Then I will attach this other side the way I'm pinning as well. My stitching line will be close to where I rip off that seam. To this other one. So now that I have attached these two, what I will do next will be for me to arrange it this way. Can you see? Then I will sew it this way, like this. I'm going to follow the way I'm drawing now and sew. Can you see? So my pocket is ready. Can you see? This is my beautiful pocket. Can you see? So that is the easiest way to install your pockets. Can you see this other side? So this is the final outcome. Can you see how it looks like? So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that once I upload new sewing tutorial, you'll be first to be notified. See you on our next tutorial. Bye-bye.